My name is Yana and you are on my channel blah 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 web development, and today I want to tell you something about JavaScript challenges. And let's start it with a palindrome. I just opened console log in my browser and first, what is a palindrome? A palindrome is a word, phrase, or number that reads the same backward and forward. For example, word madam. Madam. It reads madam forward and also it reads madam backwards. So, what we need to do? We need to do a function that will return true if our original string is a palindrome, and it will return false if our string is not a palindrome. Let's call it is palindrome. And it will have some string as a parameter. So first, what we need to do? We need to check if this string is the same as a reverse string. So first we need to reverse our original string. JavaScript has method called reverse. But this method we can call only with arrays, but we have a string. So we need to make an array from this string. And method split can help us to do it. So we have our string, we split it and make an array, and then we reverse our array. So we have a reversed array, and now we need to make a string from this array, because we need to compare our original string and our reverse string. Method join can make a string from an array. And the last thing what we need to do is return our result. Combine our two string, original and reverse string. Let's test it, how it works. Is palindrome, for example, we have a string madam. So madam, it's true because it's a palindrome. But if we send here cat, it will be false. That's all. Our function works. But what if our original string has some uppercase letters? It will false, but madam, it is palindrome anyway. So to fix this, we need to lowercase our original string. Let's do this. Let's create some variable and call it, for example, Esther-low, and it will be our lowercase string. Method to lower case. We'll do our string lowercase, and then we need to combine our original lowercase string and our reverse lowercase string. Let's check how it works. It's true. So looks like our function works correctly. But what if our string looks like a man, a plan, a canal, and what else? For example, Panama. Let's take a look at this string, and looks like it's a palindrome too. It reads forward and backward the same. But what our function is do? It falls. And it falls because we have some special characters here. To fix this, we need to delete all of these characters from our string. Let's do it. We need to use a regular expression for this, and I'm sorry. Let's create some variable for our regular expression. It will be something like this. And it needs to be global. It will found all non-arithmetical it will found all non-alphabetical and non-numerical characters. And also we need function method calls replace. It will return a string with some or all matches of a pattern replaced by a replacement. Here the first will be our pattern, our regular expression, and the next what we need to replace all of these characters. So looks like we did it. Let's check how it works. We have our string, and yeah, it works. It returned true. So finally, we did our isPalindrome function. But also we can check if our string is palindrome or not using some, for example, for loop. So let's do this. We have our string madame and we need to check letters from start and from the end of the word. For example, M we will combine with M, A with A, and D is equals to by itself. Let's create a function. Call it again is palindrome. We have string here, and Let's copy this from our previous function. And then create for loop, create an index, and it will be until half of our word, of our string. So let's create another variable called len. It will be a len of our string. Our loop will be for half of our string, and then we will use if our first letter not equals to our last letter will be len minus 1 and minus I. Our function will return false. And in other case, function will return true. Let's check how it works. Is Palindrome. We have our string, it false, but it needs to be true. See, where is the error? Oh yeah, I see. I just use str, but I need to use str low. Let's fix this. And check how our function works again. It again false. And what's going on here? Oh yes, of course. Here we need str low, not just str. Let's fix this. str low. Let's check how it works again. Oh yeah, it works. Our function works correctly. And that's it, all done. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some interesting. So thank you for watching. And if you like my video, just press like and subscribe to the channel. I will be happy to see you again here.